Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I have been rocking this look lately and I feel like I wanted to share with you guys. It's basically a foundation, no foundation look. Something like that. So as you can see, I wear everything. I still do my brows, I carve them, I prime my lids. I have loads of mascara on without falsies, and I have a bronzer on without any foundation. So I do go in with a little bit of concealer, but for the most part, it's not all over the face. So I basically skip the foundation, face powder to setting powder, just jump in with a bronzer. I know. I did mention this in my Christmas vlog that I've been wearing no foundation and it's just my bronzer and I've been liking it. I know this is not a completed look. It's not picture friendly or Instagram friendly because you still see all my freckles, my discoloration, my broken capillaries. It's just my skin and this is what I like. So this look may not be for everybody, but it's just a look that I've been rocking and I wanted to share my current foundation, no foundation look. So if you guys are interested on how I created this look, then please keep on watching. As always, the first thing I like to do is cleanse my face. After cleansing my face, I follow through with a moisturizer. Currently have been using this Caudalie Vinosource cream. I currently have been using this moisturizer because it's actually a cream. It's a little bit thicker. It definitely gives you extra hydration. You can see it's a little bit on the thicker side, which I actually like. I say this all the time with dryness of the winter, allergies. I blow my nose a lot. It just gets so dry. It just feels so good on the skin. And it's even better when it's placed in my fridge. But my fridge back there is pretty packed because I put some new products in there. A lot of product that I have opened, and although it's in the refrigerator, it's still gonna be good. I just felt like I need to do a purge out of that refrigerator because there's just so many things in there. So speaking of the refrigerator, I have another new product that I've been currently using. I do wish it's a bit smaller because I can't really fit it in there. I mean, it's a pretty hefty box here. Now this is the Skinesque. This is a wake up and makeup prep sheet mask that works in 3 minutes. I'm sure you can wear it a little bit longer if you like to, but I just use this product in addition to my moisturizer just for a quick hydration. I couldn't just wear this alone after cleansing my face just because I don't feel like it gives me enough hydration. Package is really cute and adorable. It comes with these plastic tweezers that you can remove each sheet mask so you don't contaminate the rest of them. These are really saturated with a lot of solution, so I can see why you don't need to apply on moisturizer as it states, but for me, I just need that extra hydration. So it's still winter, so it's still pretty cold outside, although there is a lot of sun. So I feel like this can still be very soothing on the skin, even though if it wasn't placed in the refrigerator, because it's pretty cold. Oh my gosh, it is freezing.
Okay, 3 minutes and counting.
Oh look, there's a little slit for your nose. Because everybody's nose shape is different. That's so funny. Too bad I can't do my eyebrows while this is on my face. So what can I do for the 3 minutes? Do you guys hear that? That's my stomach. So how have you guys all been? Can't really take me serious now with the sheet mask, but I hope everybody is doing well. I'm so excited because things are just, it's going well. Not just for myself, but for everybody. You know, watching the news and just hearing that there will be enough vaccine for most adults by May or June, it's definitely a peace of mind. So slowly but surely, but I feel like some states that are already opening up so fast and no mask required, that's risky. Yesterday was International Women's Day, so happy belated International Women's Day. Okay, this is starting to move, so I think we're going to remove this. I wonder if these are biodegradable. I said it's so funny. I wonder if these are biodegradable though. I'm actually serious. So after removing the mask, I like to just work the product into the skin a little bit, especially my neck. Sad story, I lost an earring. So while we're letting the extra juices penetrate into the skin, let's just read a little bit about it because I'm wondering if this is actually biodegradable. So the key ingredients in here is going to be peach flower, which gently exfoliates. There's Chamomilla japonica. No idea what that word is, but it's like a little flower icon that also boosts hydration. And there's also niacinamide, which brightens and balances skin tone. Not sure if this is going to be biodegradable. I see this is made in South Korea. You guys know the K-beauty skincare is like, they're on top of it. Yeah, it does not say if it's biodegradable, but it is paraben cruelty free. So since this does double up as a toner, hydration, and primer, I'm just gonna let this tack out into the skin for a little bit longer, and I'm gonna move on to the brows. You guys have seen me color my brows so many times, so I'm just gonna speed through this process. So I've actually been loving this Wet n Wild brow kit. Not all the time I wear the brow powder with the wax, but I've been loving this wax. And I know it's really cute that it comes with these little tiny applicators and tweezers, but I actually don't really like it, and I don't know why I continue using this thing. I think just because it's right there, I use it. It is kind of small, but it's perfect for traveling. If I'm at home, I prefer to use my regular full-size spoolie, which is this guy here from Dose of Color. When I used to fill in my brows a lot with powder, I would use it for this guy, and I'll just use the spoolie here. But because it was just in front of me, I have been using it. I don't know why. Although I'm not wearing any eyeshadow because that's just not my current thing these days, I still want to prime it because I do build up oils throughout the day. May not see it in the beginning of the day, but throughout the day you'll start seeing a line and it gets all shiny. It's gross. So I'm going to move on to lashes. Now I'm just going to curl my lashes like I normally do. I haven't been wearing falsies unless if I'm filming a dramatic look, but for the most part I just been squeezing extra just to get my lashes perky. These two have been my ride or die, guys. I actually used to use this way back when. I want to say like high school days. I do have the mascara of the Voluminious by Loreal, which I love, but I forgot how much I love this primer. This primer is amazing. I like this because the teeth or the bristles are just so close together that it just builds it. You have to be careful, especially with my lashes, that you can't build too many layers at a time. What I normally do is just do one layer, let it dry, go on the other side, and then alternate again. Sorry, the camera died as I was finishing up this eye, so I'm just gonna continue on. I basically just do a light even coat, but the first coat I like to make sure I extend every single eyelash. You'll be so surprised how many eyelashes you have. Now that this side is tacked out, I like to just comb the lash wand through the hairs lightly. Again, avoiding any clumpage, which I do see here. Now I'm gonna go back on this side and just let it comb through. If I need to separate them, I'll use the spoolie. I gotta make sure that I don't have any wax on there from my brows. Then I'm gonna take this Lorac Mascara, which I am currently in love with. The brush is like a little diamond pear shape. The tip here, you can get really close to the corner or edges. Because it has fiber materials in this formulation, which is amazing because it makes my lashes so long and super intense black. As you can see, my natural lashes, it's so thin. Sometimes from far, my lashes are lost. So using this, since it's so intense black, is really nice because it makes my eyes stand out. But because of the heavy formulation, I do need to remove the excess product. See, it's super long, super intense black, it's thickened, but it is pretty heavy, so I have to remove the excess product. I'm just literally letting my lashes comb through the wand with the products, and don't mind the little things on top that can be easily removed and taken off later. So that's a good amount. I'm gonna get this little corner one. Wish me luck it doesn't get clumped up. Woo! Okay, so we're gonna stop right there. We'll clean the top parts of the lids once it completely dries. So moving on to complexion, I'm gonna take my Kaja concealer. I really enjoy this concealer because I feel like it's a 2-in-1 for me. One, it's a concealer. Two, it's pretty close to my complexion that I could just wear this and not add extra face product if not needed, especially for like an everyday, easy, going to the grocery market kind of look. And I'm basically just taking my ring finger and I'm patting it nice and slowly. With the sheet mask that I applied on before, it gives intense hydration, especially under the eyes, because the sheet mask basically came up to right under my eyes. So I feel like this will avoid any creases. I just noticed how much paint I have on this. So I used my softbox lightings during about a year ago when we were repainting the house during shelter in place, and I just noticed that I have like paint splash marks on there. Although it was white, I just now noticed it. And I'm just gonna work a little bit around the nose and the center of the face because that's where I have the most redness and a lot of freckles. Ooh, I'm so glad that mask really did work around the nose because again, I've been clearing my nose all day. Again, even taking my medication of allergy pills, nasal spray, it just doesn't work. I still have to like blow my nose every morning. Ooh, speaking of allergies, my aunt actually recommended to eat this type of honey and it was purchased at Costco. I think it's called Mucuna. If I can find the picture, I'll put it right here, but I did buy that and I haven't tried it yet because I don't drink tea. I'm definitely a coffee drinker. Like, do I put the honey in the coffee? Like, I don't know. Do I just take a spoonful of this honey every day? It's gonna help. But then I heard that the honey has to be like in your county. No idea, haven't tried it yet, but I guess I should because my allergies are really bad. I just don't know what's the best method for me to eat it or how to eat it. If you guys have suggestions, please comment down below. So while I'm gonna let the concealer dry out and just settle in the skin, I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning this area. So this side of my lashes did clump up a little bit, so I'm just gonna take my spoolie and just kind of comb through it. So now that the concealer is done, let's move on to warming up the complexion. I'm gonna be using the Bare Minerals Holiday Collection. I've been gravitating towards this a lot. And I know it's crazy, I'm not putting on any other concealer or foundation or tinted moisturizer of some sort or even a face powder. I just literally am going in with this. And with the remaining product, I'm just going to dust over my lids. Then I'm gonna take a brightening pencil. I usually just like to brighten under my eyes. I don't like to apply on mascara or darker liner. I haven't been into like lipsticks or lip stains. Again, only if I'm filming something, but just everyday kind of look, especially with my lips being so dry. Gloss and lip balm has just been my best friend. This lip gloss has rose oil. Smells so good. Super hydrating. And the final thing I'm going to do is give my hair a little attention. I haven't curled it, styled it, or messed with it in so long that I just feel like it'll be a treat. And of course, the heater turns on as I'm trying to finish this outro. So this is basically it. I normally don't curl my hair. I just felt like I needed to treat my hair because it's been so long since I actually styled my hair. I used the 1-inch barrel to give my hair a little bit of body and bounce. So I know it may be weird that I didn't wear any foundation and I basically just jumped in with a bronzer type of product, but seriously guys, this is what I've been recently just rocking with. I know my imperfections, my freckles, all that redness is still peeking through, which I'm totally fine with. I basically just love how fresh and soft my skin feels. I prep my skin really good for some hydration with the moisturizer and that sheet mask. If I do plan to go out, I normally do wear sunscreen with this, but because I'm not going out today, but I really wanted to share my current foundation, no foundation look? I don't know. I'm just making a trend up. It's just brows, mascara with no falsie, and just some bronzer. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. If you guys did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. If you guys haven't already, you guys know what to do. Please subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!